Do you have nuisance animals like squirrels, deer, rabbits, chipmunks, skunks, raccoons, porcupines, or groundhogs invading your lawn, ornamental gardens, or planting areas? Bonide Repels All is the easy and affordable way to keep more than a dozen different wild animal species away from these areas. This unique blend contains natural ingredients which cause a mild irritation to the animal's nasal passages. And when an animal touches, tastes, or smells Repels All, it triggers their natural instinct to escape or avoid, and the animal may simply leave the area. Simply spray Repels All on trees, shrubs, ornamental plants, and some structure components to prevent damage. The repellent effects can last for up to 2 months, depending on rainfall, and Repels All is people and pet safe when used as directed. Repels All is the perfect nuisance animal repellent product for your home, campsite, or anywhere else you may need it. Lawn and garden pest solutions from Bonide, trusted since 1926.